This is as per top Enforcement Directorate sources on the Supreme Court order. We are learning of how they are deeming it rather favorable, and it's a favorable first step that has been taken, they say. They also are talking about how action against all those who barged in during the searches needs to be taken, and this was about an intimidation tactic for the ED officials that was conducted by Mamata Banerjee and the cops of West Bengal, and also a conspiracy to tamper with the evidence. All of this as per ED sources that we are learning of, and this is what is happening in the ED quarters. They are looking at this verdict from Supreme Court as a favorable first step. My colleague Arunima with all of those details. Arunima, of course, this is a big relief for the ED. They have been, in fact, validated when it is about the investigation, but with a caveat that they cannot get into any kind of election-related details of any political party. So, while a precedence has been set and not maintained that anybody cannot barge into an ongoing investigation, this is a favorable first step.
Directorate ultimately would want clear directions from the Supreme Court so that what happened in West Bengal is not repeated, so that nobody, neither the Chief Minister nor the head of any political party, no private individual who's not authorized to be present at the ground when searches are being carried out can barge in. And even a presence of top police officials cannot, be a reason for any such individual to barge in and carry out the kind of obstruction that we saw in West Bengal. So ultimately, that is what ED would want, clear directions from the Supreme Court to this effect. But at least a favorable first step has been taken is how the agency is reacting, because there was a lot of concern. The morale of the Enforcement Directorate officials was also at stake here, because they were going in as part of their official work. If for doing their own officially assigned duty, there's a police case against them, if they are harassed by summoning them, then it will make it very difficult for the agency to carry out its probe in future. So the fact that the Supreme Court has given a favorable order is being seen as step one, and ED is definitely hopeful that whenever the next date of hearing happens, they will manage to convince the Supreme Court. But whether that happens or not, we'll have to wait and see. For now, favorable first step is how the agency sees this.
Yeah, absolutely, Arunima, because the one main observation that came in from the Supreme Court is that it was an interference, an intervention that was much needed. Otherwise, there would have been an absolute lawlessness that would have been reported.
If these observations make it to the final order that the Supreme Court issues today, if there's an interim order where these observations are there in black and white, then it would help the ED's case even further. Because you know what has happened currently is, if you look at the larger case of the Enforcement Directorate, it was probing corruption charges for which these searches were being carried out, and the charge is that implicating a document which could have helped them in carry out the corruption charge was carried away. So they would ideally want some direction from the Supreme Court, something in black and white in an order where accountability is fixed for barging in, allowing senior police officials from the state government to be present there, and then not stopping when a private individual, because Mamata Banerjee claims she was not there as Chief Minister, as a head of a political party, then she becomes a private individual. So how do you allow a private individual to barge in a search and carry away documents? That's a big concern that the Enforcement Directorate have, because tomorrow, suppose, hypothetically, if they're carrying out some searches related to National Herald, right, can the Congress party president barge in and say, I will not allow in, I will carry away these documents? It's a dangerous situation for ED, and they would want the Supreme Court to set this right in black and white for all functionaries across the country.
All right.